Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I will show you how to record screen using your OBS Studio. First open your OBS Studio. Now on the bottom you can see there are some boxes. On the first box, there is scene. You have to add a new scene to record your screen. Click plus button, then give it a name. Hit OK. On the second boxes, add your source by clicking plus. First you have to add your audio source. Select audio input capture. Then select your audio source, which should be microphone. Click plus again. If you want to capture your display, select display capture. Give it any name. You can see your display will be recorded. Select your resolution. Then hit OK. If you want to record any application like Photoshop, or if you want to record only Google Chrome or any other application, click plus, then select window capture. From there you can select your application. Select window, where you can see there are options. If you want to record your Photoshop, open your Photoshop, then Photoshop will be shown here. Then hit OK. From the audio mixer, you can change your audio record. On the last option, you can see there is control. From here, you can start your recording by clicking start recording. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.